Oh, look how cool is that? A quick tip, if you're traveling in Asia, it's a great idea to get buffet breakfast. You might think it costs a few bucks extra, but it's worth it for two reasons. One, you can sit and relax and plan your day without having to worry where to go and eat. Even though it costs you a few dollars more, it's really worth it. And secondly, you get energized because the buffet breakfasts are well catered for. So let's check out what Holiday Inn has. Look, there's even gluten-free options. So much gluten-free. My favorite. I always get too excited and get my favorite things, but have a quick walk around and have a look at what they have first. Look, they have prosciutto, salami, all the hams, cheeses. Two really good things about all Asian buffet is one, they have really fresh juices and you get your tropical fruits. And secondly, look over here, we have your eggs done your way. Look. Get a hot cup. Decaf latte. Really spoiled for choices here. Look, you can even have yum cha for breakfast. Okay, for one. Oh, you can press okay for two. Oh, look how cool is that? Cool. So that you don't see in Melbourne, the large. Hi, can I get an omelette with the mushrooms, corn and ham, please? Thank you. So you can get an omelette sunny side up or poached eggs, and you can choose all the ingredients that go in the omelette, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, what's your secret?
You have few ingredients, right?
Double O flour? Semolina flour?
Flour doesn't matter which kind of flour you use. Should be double, no, we don't use double zero. We use another kind of flour. As long as it's a good quality. Tomato must be good quality, mozzarella must be good quality, that's the secret. If you use mediocre ingredients.
And how do you make it lift?
Lift? Okay, this one I can tell you, no problem. How you lift it, you need to leave it outside. You don't need to start from very cold. The dough, you need to leave it rest a little bit, 15 minutes, and then it will lift. If you start directly from the fridge, first it will be difficult to open, and it will not raise.
Oh, that's the secret. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Already
All right.
done.
Ready? Okay.
What do you mean ready? I thought we'd done it already.
All right. So we're in Osteria right now. It's one of the top 15 Italian restaurants in Hong Kong, and it's great because it's quite traditional. And I'm going to talk to Paolo Federici, which is the head chef here, to give us an insight on how wonderful and homey the pizzas are here. So, Paolo, can you tell us what's so special about the pizza? What makes it so traditional? What makes it Italian?
What makes it so traditional is the fact that we use very traditional ingredients and the fact that we stretch our pizza dough and we don't roll it out. So it will help you make it a little bit higher and thicker.
Okay, that's great. What are the tips for if I wanted to make a pizza at home? What are your tips?
My tips, okay, first, as I said, good ingredients.
Yeah.
And then one very important tip, before you stretch your dough, just take it out from the fridge, let it rest, warm it up a little bit, and this one will help you raise it and stretch it easier.
All right, I'm excited.
Perfect. You wanna try?
Yep, I want to try. All right, we're gonna make it together.
No problem. Okay. Okay. You start like this, right?
Yeah.
Don't squeeze it. Just
No
make
squeezing.
it round.
Yeah.
Okay. Just make it round. Some flour for you. Okay. Some flour at the bottom. Not too much. Just enough. This one is for you for when you need it. Okay. So first you start in the middle. Okay. You just make it larger slowly, right? And try to not squeeze the border.
No squeezing the border. Got
Yes.
it.
Okay. When you have enough space to fit your hand,
Yep, I have small
Okay.
hands.
you put and you stretch. Try to keep your finger inside.
Okay, yep, inside.
Use the fingertips. Okay.
Yeah.
Power. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's it, and then you turn. You stretch it, and then you turn. You stretch it, and you turn. See? Not bad.
Ah,
Then you can go faster.
whoa!
Slowly. You can go slow. No.
He's like the Flash of making pizzas.
Not bad. Now, you need to try to fill the dough. Fill the dough where it's thicker or where it's thinner. This is quite good actually. So now you're
thank you.
quite
Grazie.
thin. Prego. Quite thinner here, okay?
Yep.
So try to pull it over here.
Oh, pull it outside.
Yes.
Ah.
Not bad.
This is fun. This is fun. But mine's not round. His one's round.
Yeah, later we fix it. No problem.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Not bad. Okay. Let you try mine.
Yeah, that's mine.
Yes. Okay. Not bad. You see, you fail. You wanna try first?
Okay.
Before rolling, what you do, put this on here, right?
Yeah.
You press a little bit, not
Yeah.
much, not like this,
Yeah.
not come up. You can stay even like this,
Yeah.
okay? Just make sure this one is flat here,
Flat.
okay? And then you go inside, and then you pull it back. When you pull it back, you just make it higher a little bit, okay? So basically you do like this.
Okay. All right.
Right.
You make it look so easy.
Okay? You put it down like this one. You can
Down?
put it down, okay?
Yep. Yep.
Like this.
Yep.
You can do like this, and then shoot it. Okay?
Okay. So.
I do it every day.
Okay. Sorry.
Just hold on.
It's easy. You do like this, and you do like this. Easy.
Easy. Everything he says is easy.
Everything is easy.
Everything is easy.
As long as you know how to do it.
All right.
You put it on your hand, on your, how you put this one.
Yeah.
And then you just, basically you just do like this.
Ah.
You turn it.
Whoa! It's stretching.
See? Yes, stretching. Okay, perfect. Okay, usually you don't want to put too much tomato, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for this size, you put 1.5 of this one. You put in the middle, and then you start from the middle. You roll it out. I show you first. Make sure you have some flour underneath, not much. Up. This one. You open.
Look how quickly he does it. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that catch.
Fish.
I can smell the yeast, it's so good. This is fresh yeast you use?
So you put a little bit of flour, sorry, at the bottom. Mix it. Then pour only water. Okay. 1.5. Okay. In the middle, right from the middle. You start.
All right, he makes it look so easy. All right, mix it. 1.5. Oh, mine's not reaching the end. I'm cheating.
No, it's perfect. You put another kind of mozzarella if you want, or if you want, we just put it inside, half cook it, add the other mozzarella, finish it off, and then at the end we put some basil.
Yes.
Then done.
Sounds good, sounds
So,
delicious.
I put inside mine,
Yep,
you put inside yours.
I will try put mine in. You put yours in and I'll try put mine in.
Yeah.
So it makes it look so easy.
Then you put inside yours.
All right, let's try this one more time.
Easy. No. Okay, go inside first, yes. Okay.
Oh, I'm cheating.
Can see.
I made a hole. No, can't do it.
And now you put inside, and you pick it up. Slowly. Yes. Very good.
Yay! Put it in halfway, raise it and pull it. Push it in.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, just give it half a turn.
Okay, thank you.
Right.
Whoa, look at that.
Now we got
Oh. Oh, that crunch.
Yeah, it's a little bit crunchy, but it's still soft inside. It's not
Perfect. I just want to eat it now. And that's cut.
Perfect. That's it.
Look at that.
Okay, and you can try, right?
Good.
All right.
Cheers.
How do you say in Italian? It's not cheers. What do you say?
Salute. Yeah,
Salute.
but usually you say when you drink, not when you
No, when you
Buon
eat.
appetito, you
Buon
say.
appetito. Mmm. Oh, the tomato is good. Yes, this reminds me of Italy. Who would have thought you'd find Italy in Hong Kong? Oh, look at that base.
It's cool. Not burnt.
Perfect. Mmm. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Mmm. Oh, so good. Guess you don't have to go to Italy to get pizza. You can go to Hong Kong. Who would have thought? All right. Grazie mille, Paolo.
Prego.
Thank you so much for your...
All right, one more shot.
Yep. from the menu?
Of course, the most traditional Italian dishes like pasta, pizza, the pasta with seafood, with meat. We can cover all over from north to south of Italy.
North to south.
Yeah.
So I'm from Florence. Do you have
Okay.
anything from Florence in here?
Anything from Florence.
Good
At the
answer.
moment, we have a beautiful T-bone steak that you can have it. It's not a pasta, but it's a steak.
With
Okay.
like just seared with a little bit of rosemary.
Yes.
Oh,
a
it
little
is
bit.
really like it's like really my home food. I'm so excited. So, what about you? What's your favorite dish if you had to eat here?
If I have to eat
If you
here,
were a customer here,
okay, I would probably choose the lamb ravioli that we have on the menu.
the lamb ravioli.
Yeah, I
Oh,
love
sounds
it.
delicious.
Yes.
So the perks about talking to a chef is you can always ask them their favorite dish. This is lamb ravioli and they're all handmade here. I can smell the truffle. I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna cut it short. But don't forget, if you're in Hong Kong, come to Australia. Paolo will look after you. Huge. Oh, I think I'm gonna use a knife. It's really big. Look at that, you got the handmade pasta and look at that amount of truffle that has been really finely grated on top. Like you don't have to be close, but oh, it smells so good. Lamb melts in your mouth and the truffle's like, oh, it's so warm, so fragrant. It makes you feel like you're a kid running in the forest and you can see all the mushrooms and it's so warm. And that pasta dough, homemade, makes just that right difference for you to just, oh, want to come back for more. I'm always super worried when I eat tiramisu there's too much amaretto or not enough. This is just perfect. If you love tiramisu, you gotta try this one. The biscotti has been drenched in the coffee liqueur just the right amount, so it's nice and soft, and the mascarpone cheese is so creamy and it's well set. So I can't talk much because I gotta eat. See you later. So soft. Look. I can't believe that you can find every cuisine here in Hong Kong, and out of all of them, you know my favorite, Italian. And the top 15 Italian restaurants that you can find in Hong Kong is at Holiday Inn, Golden Mile, Hong Kong.
And don't forget to follow Cecilia on YouTube.